Hey there, DIY enthusiasts and power tool aficionados. Welcome back to our channel where we bring you the best deals and top picks for all your project needs. Today, we're diving into the world of power tools under $50 that you can snag on Amazon. That's right, quality tools without breaking the bank. Let's get started. Number 1. The Wordpro Cordless Mini Bench Grinder, priced at $39.97, is a versatile and portable tool ideal for small DIY projects. Powered by a 20-volt lithium-ion rechargeable battery, it offers the flexibility to work anywhere without being tethered to a power outlet. With various included wheels, it can sharpen knives, polish jewelry, and handle materials like stainless steel, brass, and glass. Its precision sharpening capability, with workpiece rests and adjustable speed, 3000 to 9000 per min, ensures precise operation and control. Safety features include a durable high-density polycarbonate spark shield for protection against sparks and 4 rubber feet for stability and reduced vibration. Additionally, the grinder includes a dust collection tray to keep the work area clean. Overall, the Wordpro Cordless Mini Bench Grinder is a valuable addition to any toolkit, offering convenience, versatility, precision, and safety for a range of DIY and workshop tasks. Number 2. The Deco Pro 20-volt cordless drill set, priced at $42.99, is a versatile and affordable electric power tool drill driver kit. With its powerful capabilities, this drill set can handle drilling tasks in wood, metal, ceramics, and plastic with ease. The 20-volt electric drill features 2 variable speeds, 0 to 350 and 0 to 1350 RPM, and 18+1 torque settings, providing users with precise control and versatility for various applications. Equipped with a 20-volt 1.5 Ah lithium-ion battery and charger, this cordless drill ensures continuous operation without the hassle of cords or cables. The battery drill cordless design enhances mobility and convenience, allowing users to work in any location without restrictions. Despite its powerful performance, the compact and lightweight design of the electric drill cordless, weighing only 2.5 pounds, ensures easy portability and comfortable handling during extended use. Overall, the Deco Pro 20-volt cordless drill set offers exceptional value for its price, making it a reliable choice for DIY enthusiasts and professionals alike. Number 3. The cordless oscillating tool for DeWalt 20-volt battery offers unparalleled versatility and convenience for DIY enthusiasts and professionals alike, priced at $39.99. Its innovative design allows you to work without the need for cords or outlets, providing greater flexibility in tight spaces, job sites, and outdoor environments. Powered by a powerful brushless motor capable of 8,500 to 21,000 OPM oscillations per minute, this tool enables precise and efficient handling of a wide range of DIY projects. With 6 speed adjustments, you can seamlessly switch between low-gear precision polishing and high-gear wood and metal cutting, catering to various tasks with ease. The superior toolkit includes 15 sandpapers, 4 versatile blades, 1 scraper, 1 sanding plate, an auxiliary handle, and more. With a quick-release lever for easy blade changes, this set saves you time and effort while ensuring your accessories are securely in place. This cordless oscillating multi-tool is perfect for low-intensity sawing, sanding, trimming, and cutting a variety of materials, including skirting boards, copper and plastic pipes, soft non-ferrous metals, plasterboard, laminates, and carpets, among others. Compatible with DeWalt 20-volt lithium-ion batteries, this cordless oscillating tool provides long-lasting and reliable power, making it a valuable addition to any toolkit. Whether you're tackling home improvement projects or professional tasks, this tool delivers exceptional performance and versatility at an unbeatable price. Number 4. The WEN Metal Shear, priced at $42.72, is a reliable and versatile tool designed to handle a variety of cutting tasks with ease. Its pressure-sensitive trigger allows for precise control, enabling cuts anywhere from 0 to 2,500 strokes per minute. This feature makes it suitable for a wide range of materials and projects. With the ability to tackle up to 20-gauge stainless steel and 18-gauge sheet metal, this metal shear is ideal for both light and heavy-duty cutting applications. Its lightweight design minimizes fatigue during operation, ensuring comfortable use even during extended periods. Equipped with a powerful 4-amp motor, this metal shear efficiently cuts through materials while curling them, providing clean and precise results. The swiveling head, which rotates a full 360 degrees, adds to its versatility, allowing it to adapt to the needs of any project and reach difficult angles with ease. Overall, the WEN Metal Shear is a reliable and affordable option for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts, offering powerful performance, versatility, and ease of use for various cutting tasks. Number 5. Priced at $29.99, the Hardell Mini cordless rotary tool is a versatile and convenient tool for DIY enthusiasts and crafters. Its innovative display screen allows for easy reading of the current speed gear, enhancing usability even in challenging lighting conditions and adding a unique touch when given as a gift. Equipped with 86 accessories and 3 chuck sizes, 1.6, 2.3, 3.2 mm, this rotary toolkit excels in a wide range of tasks including plastic cutting, wood carving, metal/glass engraving, jewelry polishing, and more. With 5 speed settings, 5,000, 8,000, 11,000, 14,000 and 18,000 RPM, precise control is ensured, making it suitable for beginners and experienced users alike. Despite its powerful performance, the Mini rotary tool is compact, measuring 6.5 inches and weighing only 0.35 pounds. Its dotted anti-slip rubber body ensures a comfortable grip for extended use without fatigue. The rotary toolkit comes with a 4-volt rechargeable battery and a Type-C charging cable, offering convenient charging via various plugs and ensuring uninterrupted crafting sessions with a fully charged battery in just 1 to 2 hours. Number 6. Priced at $44.99, the Wordpro Jigsaw is a high-performance corded electric tool designed to meet the demands of various work projects. With its powerful 6.5-amp motor and top speed of 3,000 SPM, this jigsaw ensures faster wood cutting while minimizing burns on the edges. Its 6 variable cutting speeds cater to different materials like metal, plastic, and wood, with a 4/5 inch stroke length for efficient cutting. The jigsaw offers versatility with plus or minus 45 degrees bevel cutting capability and 4 orbital settings, adjusting cut aggressiveness for different applications. Tool-free blade changes are effortless, thanks to the quick replacement button and included 7 saw blades, accommodating various cutting needs. Equipped with LED lights, this jigsaw enhances visibility in dark workspaces for precise cutting. A dust blower improves visibility along the cut line, and the blower switch doubles as a vacuum function for increased cutting efficiency. The lock-on button reduces fatigue during extended cutting jobs, making it a user-friendly choice for professionals and DIYers alike. Number 7. Priced at $34.99, the Wordpro Detail Sander is a powerful and compact electric sander designed for tight spaces woodworking. Its 1.6-amp motor runs at 13,000 orbits per minute, making it suitable for grinding and sanding wood, iron, plastic, and similar materials when paired with appropriate sandpaper. This detail sander features a built-in dust vacuum attachment and an efficient dust collection system, keeping the working area clean and relatively dust-free. The dust collecting box is easy to install, enhancing convenience during operation. Designed with ergonomics in mind, the compact sander weighs only 2.6 pounds, making it easy to hold and maneuver. The soft rubber top design provides a comfortable grip while reducing vibration and fatigue, ensuring a pleasant user experience. Additionally, the sander's base plate is equipped with a hook and loop system, facilitating quick and easy removal and replacement of sandpapers, further improving efficiency and convenience during use. Overall, the Wordpro Detail Sander is a reliable and user-friendly tool for woodworking in tight spaces. Number 8. Priced at $39.99, the Wordpro Pneumatic Brad Nailer is a professional-grade nail gun suitable for carpentry, DIY projects, and woodworking. This air-powered tool requires connection to an air compressor and operates efficiently with a pressure range of 60 to 100 psi. It's a 2-in-1 nail and staple gun compatible with 18-gauge brad nails and staples, including 400 brad nails and 300 staples of various lengths. Featuring a depth-adjustable mechanism, users can adjust the depth of nails and staples for different materials. The nail gun also offers a 360-degree adjustable exhaust, quick and tool-free jam cleaning, and a continuously shop mode for efficiency. This versatile tool is ideal for upholstery, flooring, roofing, molding, and door and window installation. It meets all DIY needs with professional-grade performance. Regular oiling is necessary for maintenance, and lubricant is included. The Wordpro Pneumatic brad nailer is a reliable choice for a wide range of projects. Number 9. Priced at $38.99, the Galax Pro Oscillating Multi-Tool is a powerful and versatile tool suitable for cutting, sawing, trimming, grinding, and sanding tasks. Its 1.5A motor delivers 22,000 oscillations per minute for efficient performance. With a robust metal gear head, this tool ensures durability and longevity. Designed for various materials including skirting boards, copper pipes, and ceramic tiles, it meets the needs of serious DIY enthusiasts and tradespeople. The compact body and ergonomic soft grip provide optimal handling, even in tight spaces. Quick attachment changing, facilitated by a universal screw and Allen key, minimizes downtime. Vibration control enhances maneuverability over work surfaces, while the 3-meter-long cable offers ample working space. Simple operation with the top-on-off switch adds to user convenience. The Galax Pro Oscillating Multi-Tool is a reliable and versatile solution for a range of tasks. Number 10. Priced at $35.99, the Deco Cordless Mini Angle Grinder is a versatile tool with high efficiency and durability. It comes with two 1,500 mAh lithium batteries featuring overcharge, over-discharge, and overload protection for safety and enhanced power. The pure copper motor achieves a high-speed cutting of 19500 RPM. Weighing only about 0.75 kilograms, this mini grinder features a small handle diameter for easy one-handed grip. Its cordless and rechargeable design adds to its portability, while the soft rubber-wrapped handle ensures comfortable usage. The upgraded design includes a thickened splash guard for safety and ventilation openings for efficient heat dissipation, preventing motor overheating. With 2 cutting wheels included, it's suitable for metal polishing, deburring, surface finishing, rust removal, and wood cutting, making it perfect for home DIY projects. Note: not intended for cutting and polishing concrete.